Page 8. 5.3 OAuth credentials. Step 1. Navigate to APIs and Services Credentials plus create credentials OAuth client ID. Step 2. Set application type to Desktop app. Step 3. Set name to Miku's manual desktop. Click Create. Step 4. Click the download button on the newly created credential. Step 5. Rename the downloaded file to client_secrets.json. Step 6. Place the file at c:/Mikus manual /client_secrets.json. Step 7. Navigate to OAuth consent screen test users plus add users. Step 8. Add your Google account email address. Click Save. Miku's manual. Model, MKSMN 2026 EN Rev 1.0. Copyleft, C, all rights reversed, Viral Public License, viralpubliclicense.org. Page 9. 6. Installation. Open command prompt, CMD, in the c:/Mikus manual /directory. Execute the following command. Do not modify it. An active internet connection is required. Pip install PyMupt Pillow Deep Translator Edge TTS requests Beautiful Soup 4. Google API Python Client Google Auth Google Auth Hiploop 2 Report Lab. Verify FFmpeg is installed and accessible on the system path. SSmpeg version. If FFmpeg is not found, download it from ffmpeg.org, extract it, and add the bin / folder to your system's path. Environment variable. FFmpeg must be accessible from any directory. After dependencies are installed, authenticate the YouTube uploader. This step opens a browser window once. It will not open again after the token is saved. Python upload_youtube.py off. A browser window will open. Sign in with the Google account that owns the Miku's manual YouTube channel. Click Allow. Close the browser. The token is saved to youtube_token.pko. Authentication is complete. Warning. Do not run the auth command with a Google account that does not own the Miku's manual channel. Doing so will upload content to the wrong channel. Miku's manual. Model, MKSMN 2026 EN Rev 1.0. Copyleft, C, all rights reversed, Viral Public License, viralpubliclicense.org. Page 10. 7. Configuration. All configuration is stored in config.ini. Open this file in any text editor before first use. The following sections require attention. 7.1 config.ini reference. Section 2. Description. Channel. Channel_name. Display name. Do not change after first upload. Manual. Words_per_episode. Words per video part. Default, 1811 minute. Manual. Image_placeholder. Text Miku reads when an image is detected. Applio. Applio_dir. Path to Applio installation. Default, c:/applio. Applio. Miku_pitch. RBC pitch shift in semitones. Default, 4, infamous_Miku_D2. Sweet spot. TTS. Miku_workers. Parallel Applio inference workers. Default, 1, increase to 2 with. GPO. Video. Wave_color. Waveform hex color. Default, 0 ED, Miku teal. Upload. daily_cap. Max uploads per day. Default, 6, quota safe. YouTube. Default_privacy. Video privacy. Options, public, private, unlisted. 7.2 Voice configuration. Voice configuration is handled in the Applio section of config.ini. The pipeline does not use external voice APIs or cloud services for synthesis. All voice conversion runs locally via Applio. Applio_dir equals c:\\applio. Miku_pitch equals 4. The Miku_pitch value controls the RBC pitch shift applied during inference. A value of 4 semitones is the recommended setting for infamous_Miku_B2. Increase this value if the output sounds too low, decrease it if the output sounds unnatural or strained. Values outside the range -6 to +12 are not recommended. The model file must be placed at c:\applio/logs/mika.pth before running the pipeline. Applio will auto-discover this file. If an index file, .index, is also present in that directory, Applio will use it to improve voice similarity. The index file is optional but recommended. L model. Source. The infamous_Miku_B2 model, 271 megabytes, is available from the m5dev/Miku_RBC_B2 repository on Hugging Face. Download the .pth file and place it in c:\applio/logs/Miku/. Now, Hugging Face account is required to download public model files. Miku's manual. Model, MKSMN 2026 EN, Rev 1.0. Copyleft, C, all rights reversed, viral public license, viralpubliclicense.org. Page 11. 8. Acquiring manuals. 8.1 fetch_manuals.py. Fetch_manuals.py downloads PDF manuals from manuals.lib and adds them to the processing queue automatically. The following commands are available. Python fetch_manuals.py sitemap 100. Download 100 random manuals via sitemap. Fastest method. Most random distribution. Python fetch_manuals.py random 50. Download 50 manuals spread across all known product categories. Python fetch_manuals.py category coffee makers count 20. Download 20 manuals from a specific product category. Python fetch_manuals.py brand Sony count 10. Download 10 manuals from a specific manufacturer. Python fetch_manuals.py list categories. Print all known product category slugs. 8.2 manual queue. Downloaded PDF paths are written to queue.txt, one path per line. Auto_pipeline.py reads this file and removes each entry after processing begins. The queue is persistent across sessions. Add entries manually by editing queue.txt in any text editor. L note. Already downloaded manuals are tracked in manuals_skip.txt by their manuals.lib ID. Running fetch_manuals.py multiple times will not re-download or requeue the same. Manual. Miku's manual. Model, MKSMN 2026 EN, Rev 1.0. Copyleft, C, all rights reversed, viral public license, viralpubliclicense.org. Page 12. 9. Operation. Normal operation proceeds in 5 sequential stages per manual part. All stages are automated. The operator is not required to intervene between stages. 9.1 Extracting manual text. Extract_manual.py opens the PDF using pymu-pdf and reads each page in document order. For each page, the following operations are performed. Lines containing only page numbers are removed. Lines matching page and RAM patterns are removed. Lines composed entirely of separated characters are removed. Pages containing images with fewer than 120 characters of text are replaced with the configured image_placeholder string. Pages containing images alongside readable text receive an inline image notice before the text continues. The clean text is split into parts of approximately words_per_episode words. 9.2 Translation. Translate.py uses the Deep Translator library to access Google Translate at no cost. Text is chunked to avoid silent truncation, 4,500 characters per chunk for Latin scripts, 2,500 for CJK. Each chunk is retried up to 3 times on failure. Placeholder text, bracketed image notices, is not translated. 9.3 Voice synthesis. Voice synthesis is performed locally in 2 stages by Miku_tts.py, which coordinates edge_tts.py and Aglio_infer.py stage 1, edge_tts.py calls the Microsoft Edge Neural TTS service to generate a base audio track. A language appropriate female neural voice is selected for each target language, e.g. JJP Nanami Neural for Japanese, ZHCN Neural for Chinese. This base audio contains the correct pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation for the target language but does not yet sound like Miku. Stage 2, APPLIO_infer.py passes the base audio to Aglio's RVC inference engine, which applies the infamous Miku_V2 voice model. The RVC model transforms the carrier voice into Miku's characteristic tone while preserving the underlying language phonetics. Inference runs entirely on the local machine. No network connection is required at this stage. Our GPU recommended. RVC inference runs significantly faster on a CUDA-capable GPU. CPU mode inference is supported but may take 5-10x longer per track. On CPU, allow additional time per language. On GPU, for GB plus VRAM, a typical 10-minute manual part processes in under 2 minutes per language. 9.4 Video production. Make_video.py produces a 1920 by 1080 MP4 using FFmpeg pipe. The filter graph produces a neon oscilloscope waveform in Miku teal, #0eth, overlaid on the manual's cover page thumbnail. The glow effect is achieved by duplicating the waveform signal, applying a box blur, radius 12, and compositing both layers using screen blending. The background thumbnail is scaled to fill the frame with a dark background fill for letterboxing. Miku's manual model, MKSMN 2026 EN Red 1.0. Copyleft, C, all rights reversed, viral public license, viralpubliclicense.org. Page 13. 9.5 Upload to YouTube. Upload_YouTube.py uses the YouTube Data API v3 to upload each MP4. Videos are uploaded in language priority order, EN, JA, ZH, KO, DE, FR, ES, RU, IT, PL, CS, TH. The daily upload cap is enforced at 6 videos. 9,600 API units. Remaining videos are written to upload_try.txt and processed on subsequent runs. Miku's manual model, MKSMN 2026 EN Red 1.0. Copyleft, C, all rights reversed, viral public license, viralpubliclicense.org. Page 14. 10. Upload schedule. This channel operates on a fixed weekly schedule. The upload schedule is configured in Windows Task Scheduler. Saturday is reserved. No uploads occur on Saturday. Day. Operation. Notes. Sunday. Upload 6 videos. Auto_pipeline.pyq. Monday. Upload 6 videos. Auto_pipeline.pyq. Tuesday. Upload 6 videos. Auto_pipeline.pyq. Wednesday. Upload 6 videos. Auto_pipeline.pyq. Thursday. Upload 6 videos. Auto_pipeline.pyq. Friday. Upload 6 videos. Auto_pipeline.pyq. Saturday. Sabbath. No uploads. Community post, Hebrew, plus weekly preview. El Sabbath. Posts. On Saturdays, a community post is published to the Miku's manual YouTube community tab. The post is written in Hebrew. It includes a passage from the Torah or a Shabbat prayer, followed by a brief overview of the manual scheduled for the coming week. This feature requires YouTube channel monetization or 500 plus subscribers to access the Community Post tab. Miku's Manual. Model, NKSMN 2026 EN Rev 1.0. Copyleft, C, all rights reversed, Viral Public License, viralpubliclicense.org. Page 15. 11. Maintenance. This channel is designed for unattended operation. The following maintenance tasks are required at the intervals specified. Task. Interval. Command. Refill manual queue. When queue is empty. Python fetch underscore manuals.py sitemap 100. Process upload retry. Daily, auto bias scheduler. Python upload underscore youtube.py retry. Verify Miku voice. After any space outage. Python test underscore Miku.py. Check YouTube token. If uploads fail with 401. Python upload underscore youtube.py off. Archive processed PDFs. Monthly. Move manual/star.pdf to manuals archive/. Miku's Manual. Model, NKSMN 2026 EN Rev 1.0. Copyleft, C, all rights reversed, Viral Public License, viralpubliclicense.org.